Hey friends, welcome back to Bike Talk. Today I got something exciting for every creator and photographer out there. The Digitek lightweight TV tripod DTR550 LW. We'll unbox it, check its all feature and even test it can really hold up to 5 kilos. And wait till the end because I have some bonus content for you. So here's how the box look, quite compact for a full size tripod. So you can see the branding and here are the feature details about it. So three-way head adjustable pan, sturdy rubberized legs which can work on the tiles as well as our outdoor 360-degree hand grip and also multi-purpose attachment. As it mentioned, the maximum load is 5 kg and height goes up to 5.57 feet, which actually goods and covers almost everything. So yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the bonus content I was talking about in the start of video. If you are doing the content creation or product shoot or professional shoot through your mobile, then I will suggest you to go and buy this 360 universal mobile adapter which can be easily mounted on this tripod. Why it is useful? Because the thing is, the one that you get has a spring, but in this case it's adjustable, so it's easy to keep your phone aligned with it. It will not damage your phone because it has a screw and you can adjust the way you want. And this is how in 360 degree you can rotate and use however you want. Yeah, so I will drop the product link in the description below, and if you want to see how it performs in outdoor shooting, stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Okay guys, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching it.